Hey travelers.
I'm John.
I'm Donna.
And we are Cottywomple Travelers. This week we've got a honey-do list project. Somebody has been wanting to get plexiglass put on our door.
Yep. Want more natural light.
And we want to save the heat and air so we can open the door and basically see outside and not live in a dungeon. Any of y'all have that problem when you got the doors closed, the blinds down, it's like living in a dungeon? I definitely have that feeling. So we've got some friends that have done this already, and we get some advice from them and are gonna carry you along for the project. We're gonna put a piece of plexiglass on our door.
Let's get started. Here are the tools that you will need. Gill saw, jigsaw, a Sharpie, in silver preferable. It's easier to get the ink off. Tape measure, and two-sided Velcro, industrial strength.
While we were at Home Depot, where we bought our supplies at, I picked up a 62 ultra-fine cut saw blade to cut with. Also, for my jigsaw, I bought up some real fine tooth for fine wood cutting for that as well. So that'll help you get your job done here. Also gonna need a razor knife and a few other odds and ends, and we'll get into that here shortly. One of the first things you're gonna want to do is, your door is a basic rectangle with some odd cuts on it. So first thing I want to do is get a measurement. On ours, we're going to come from this panel here and not go all the way down and go all the way to the top. But things to note is we're going to cut out around our opening here. We'll also cut out around our hinges. And on the top, we've got two rounded edges that we'll have to take into account for. So first things first, we want to get our measurements for our door. What I'm doing is measuring for the cutout, because we're going to cut out this part right here so that I can still have my pass through and it doesn't affect our door latch. You don't want to start messing with all that kind of stuff. All right, so a little trick of the trade. It's hard to draw on this stuff, so what I'm going to do is put a piece of tape that I can draw on across here and about the area that I need. We'll make our mark on it. That'll make life easier. What we'll do is get our measurements at 70 3/4.
I feel like I got dandruff now.
You probably do. All right, folks, so if you're gonna do this, make sure and wear safety glasses. If you're using a skill saw like this, it throws some terrible shavings back in your face. So make sure you get good eye protection.
Yeah. Or you just wear your old man glasses.
That works. All right, so what we did is cut off a piece of the scrap, put some tape on it. Donna and I held it up against the door here and took a pencil between the two of us and drew it. That way we can get the right radius so that it matches perfect on each side. So let's see if this works. That'll work.
pieces all over.
So what we've got left to do is to mark the hinges and the rubber stops, and we'll have this job complete. So this is the first test try. We're gonna stick it up there and see if it's even close to fitting. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Aha! Definitely gonna fit. What I will do, work out the hinges. Well, in true Cottywomple fashion, no, it's the Scarborough effect. It's the Scarborough effect. After we've got most of this already cut out, ready to go, I mean, we were down to just putting the Velcro on there. I went to pick it up, and there, just cracked it right down through the middle. In there. So now we get to go spend $77 more. If you're doing this, make sure and handle with kid gloves.
2 hours later.
So after my screw up, went back to Home Depot. Came back. The good thing is we had the other one, and we went ahead, even though it was cracked, and finished it out as a template, sized it, fitted it, and everything. So it's a perfect fit. So all we got to do is tape this one off, mark it, and cut it back to where we had it at. So this one shouldn't be as bad. We'll do some quick cutting and we'll get back to the install. Be right back. So one of the things that we're doing now is we're going to put Velcro on both sides so we can take it off if we want to. But in the meantime, Donna is wiping down all of the door with alcohol to make sure we don't have any oils or anything on it so that it sticks real good. So we'll wipe it all down with alcohol. We'll get the fuzzy side of the Velcro put on the door, and we'll put the hard hook side on the plexiglass itself. All of the Velcro's been put on. Hopefully, if I don't screw up too bad and hold this the right way, we'll have this installed momentarily. But let's see what happens.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. This is just going right over the top of the screen, so on nice days I can just open the door. This will help save on heating and air.
And that make me feel like I live in a dungeon.
Yes, I like to have the front door open. So it's my very own storm door. Not glass, but hey, you know, can't have everything.
It doesn't matter.
Look at that. It looks so good. And there you go, folks.
There you go.
Yay.
Now,
Any last words?
For more tips and tricks, hang around. There's going to be a lot more of this summer. Next, we're going to work on some of the baggage doors. Got an idea for working on some of that. So be sure and like and subscribe if you like this kind of thing, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.